Hey gang, I thought I'd do a little short today. This is usually the format that we do, the kind of my journey. I'm going to do it my journey in just a minute. But I thought I'd do a little update, a little bit of knowledge. If you guys know me at all, which some of you do, some of you don't, I don't have any idea about makeup. Makeup is not part of my routine. However, I do understand that half the people, maybe three-quarters of the people, depending on who you are and what you do, need to put on makeup after your rotator cuff repair. So it's very tricky to be able to do that, especially if it's your dominant hand, to be able to put on makeup. So I'm not going to pretend to understand how to do this, and therefore I was looking around YouTube and I found this clip from Lisa Monique. Lisa Monique has have lots of tips and tricks about makeup, and she recently had rotator cuff repair, and she has a short video on how to put on makeup, how to apply makeup, I think is the correct term, after a rotator cuff repair. So we're going to link to that below. So anyway, here we are. Enjoy the day. It's Saturday. I'm just relaxing here in beautiful Georgia. And we'll put the link down there. I hope this is helpful for some people. Let me know if you like it, if it's interesting. And we'll do another short and another video soon. Thanks.